Proteins presented by K. Sandhya. Introduction. Algae are rich in proteins, about 50 to 70% of microalgae and 55 to 50% of macroalgae, varying in species and cultivation conditions. It generally proteins in algae are made up of different kind of amino acids, glutamic acid, aspartic acid and leucine in high amounts. Algal proteins show high nutritional value due to the bioactivity of proteins and peptides and the considerable content of essential amino acids. The global population is expected to increase by over third by 2050, requiring an estimated 70% increase in food production. Importance of algal proteins. Some algae, particularly blue-green and green algae, contain very high levels of protein, typically 40 to 60%, that can be used as functional food ingredients. Algae are a diverse group of species which can be broadly described as oxygen producing photosynthetic unicellular or multicellular organisms, excluding embryophyte terrestrial plants and lichens. Macroalgae can be divided into three main taxonomic groups based on their pigmentation: Pheophyta, brown algae; Chlorophyta, green algae; and Rhodophyta, red algae. Brown algae are distinguished by the presence of the pigment fucoxanthin, which is responsible for the distinctive olive-brown color that leads this group name. Industrial applications. Lectins and phycobilly proteins are two families of bioactive algal proteins which have been exploited for several industrial applications. Lectins are most commonly extracted from macroalgal sources, while phycobilly proteins are typically isolated from microalgae. Phycobilly proteins are water-soluble protein with an important role in photosynthesis within cyanobacteria, Rhodophyta, cryptomonads. Phycobilly proteins are used in fluorescent labeling, flow cytometry, fluorescent microscopy, and fluorescent immunohistochemistry. The main commercial procedures are Spirulina species and Porphyridium species. However, the primary commercial application of these phycobilly proteins appear to be as natural dyes, with phycocyanin in particular used as blue pigment used in products such as chewing gum, popsicles, confectionery, soft drinks, dairy products, and wasabi, as well as cosmetic products such as lipstick and eyeliner. Applications of algal proteins. It is used in food industry and animal feeds. In food industry, it is used as protein supplements and powders. In animal feeds, it is used as algal proteins are used to enhance the nutritional value of feed for aquaculture and livestock. The high protein content of algae can also be beneficial for use as animal feed, including aquaculture, farm animals, and pests. These birds also appear to have an important immune system, as demonstrated by a significant increase in white blood cell count and enhanced macrophage phagocytic activity. Spirulina also increased fertility rates as well as increasing the intensity of the egg yolk color. These birds also appear to have an improved immune system, as demonstrated by a significant increase in white blood cell count and enhanced macrophage phagocytic activity. Aquaculture. Microalgae are vital for the artificial reproduction of several aquaculture species, especially molluscs. Microalgae also play an important role in aquaculture, other than as food source for zooplankton by stabilizing pH, reducing bacterial growth, and improving the quality of rearing medium. Pharmaceuticals. For their antioxidant and immune boosting properties, it is used. Thank you.